to check what's going on and if it's working. So you open up the JavaScript console, which you do under View, Developer, JavaScript console, and it opens up this window here, and you can see these log messages. So if I put in some card details, and I'm going to put in good card details at the moment, so this will be a successful payment, and I go make payment, you'll see a log under here. So it's running tokenized, so that is via an iframe gone back to Square and tokenized the payment, and then once it's tokenized it and got the verification codes from Square, from the app, it then contacts the backend workflows within this Bubble app, and sends the payment off to Square again with the tokenized card details and the tokenized verification information, and processes the payment. So that's what a good payment looks like, and you can see in the logs in here if something's going wrong.